Hello again, dear grade 4, and welcome back to a new English lesson. Today, we will take Top Time 5 from Module 9. By the end of this video lesson, we will be able to identify the main idea through reading, locate specific information through reading, and write a short paragraph about one's favorite animal. You will be able to find this lesson in your student's book, page 113, and in your workbook, page 116. So, are you ready to start learning some amazing information? Let's go! Yesterday in Qatar television, they have asked people about the most popular wild animals in the country. Do you have any idea what people answered? Look at the pictures, as they might help you. Did you know? You are right. This is the falcon, and that's the oryx. Let's see what can we learn about these two animals in our lesson today. Please open your student's book on Module 9, page 113, and pay attention to the text in activity number 1. Do you know what type of text is this? It is a brochure. We call it a brochure because it looks like a booklet, which gives information accompanied by pictures that explain the text. What can you see in this brochure? Let's look closely at the pictures of the 5 animals and also pay attention to the title. Don't forget, there are more titles. We call them subtitles. Look, we have 5 of them. If we have looked at all of those, we might have an idea what is this brochure about. So can you predict now? What is the text mainly about? From what we said before, the title, the pictures, and the subtitles. See if you can answer A or B. Is it famous pets in Doha City? Or is it wild animals in Qatar desert? Keep the answer in your mind, so when we read and listen, you can check if you have answered correctly or no.
Animals in Qatar. Qatar is home to a great number of animals and has some amazing wildlife. These are some of the animals you can see around the country. Jackals. The golden jackal looks like a wolf, but it is smaller and it lives in the desert. It has got shorter legs than a wolf, but a longer body. Arabian gazelles. They are beautiful animals and they are very fast. They've got 2 short horns, big eyes, and a short tail. In Qatar, people call them reem, oryx. They are antelopes with 2 long horns. The oryx is the national animal of Qatar. Falcons. There are 6 kinds of falcons in Qatar, and people love them. For years, Qataris trained these birds to hunt with them. Desert hedgehogs. This cute little animal is one of the smallest kinds of hedgehog. It has got small ears and a dark nose. It goes out at night to find food, insects, birds' eggs, and sometimes fruit or plants.
Was your prediction correct? Let's check. What's the main idea of the text? It's actually about wild animals in Qatar desert. Well done! And now, let's practice reading for details. Let's read the question together. Read and match each description A to E with the correct photo of an animal 1 to 5. Let's have the first paragraph and read it together. Jackals. The golden jackal looks like a wolf, but it is smaller and it lives in the desert. It has got shorter legs than a wolf, but a longer body. So, we're talking about an animal that looks like a wolf. Which picture is it from those? It's picture 2. That's right. So, here, with A, I match picture 2. Now, pause the video and do the rest by yourself. Welcome back. Let's check our answers together. Arabian gazelle. Actually, we're talking about 2 short horns and a short tail. Which animal has it? We have this animal here and this animal here. Both have horns. But actually it says short tail. So I think it's picture 1. That's correct. B is connected with picture 1. Oryx. They're antelopes with 2 long horns. The oryx is the national animal of Qatar. And it has 2 long horns. So it is definitely picture number 4. And we match C with 4. Falcons. There are 6 kinds of falcons in Qatar, and people love them. For years, Qataris trained their birds to hunt with them. We're actually talking about birds, and it is the only one between all the 5 animals that it is a bird. Picture number 3. So D, we match it with 3. Desert hedgehogs. This cute little animal is one of the smallest kinds of hedgehog. It has got small ears and a dark nose. It goes out at night to find food, insects, bird eggs, and sometimes fruit or plants. So, I'm talking here about the smallest animal that has the small ears and a dark nose. That is the only animal left here, the hedgehog. So I match E with 5. Well done, everybody. And now it's time to scan the brochure for more details. Keep your student's book open on page 113 and now pay attention to the questions in activity number 2. Activity 2. Answer the questions. Question 1. Let's do it together. What does the golden jackal look like? We have to find the keywords. The golden jackal. And I have to go to the paragraph that talks about jackals. Let's read it together. Jackals. The golden jackal looks like a wolf, but it is smaller. Here you go. That's the answer. It looks like a wolf, but it is smaller. Now, you have to check all the keywords of questions 2 to 5. Try to find them in the paragraphs. So pause the video and try to answer the rest of the questions on your own. Welcome back. Let's check our answers together. Question 2. What do Qataris call Arabian gazelles? So, I have to check off the paragraph that talks about Arabian gazelles. They say that in Qatar, people call them reem. So I can answer and say, they call them reem. Well done. Let's check the answer to question number 3. What are the oryx's horns like? And in here I'm not talking about the Arabian gazelle. I'm talking about the oryx, which is animal picture 4. And since my keywords are oryx's horns, I have to go to the paragraph that talks about oryx. Check the word horns. Did you find it? They are antelopes with 2 long horns. So I can write my answer and can say they are long. Well done. And now try to find the answers to question 4 and 5 in the same way. What a great job, everybody! And now let's practice more. Let's describe those animals. Go to your workbook and open on page 116. Pay attention to the pictures in activity number 1. What are the animals below? Look, find out, and write a sentence for each one of them. Number 1 is done already. Let's read the example. The golden jackal is smaller than the wolf. Let's try to do number 2 together. Look at the shadow of the animal. It has 2 short horns and a short tail. So, this is the Arabian gazelle. The Arabian gazelle has got 2 short horns. Now, pause the video and complete on your own. Picture number 3. This is the falcon. We can write, people trained falcons to hunt with them. Picture number 4. This is the oryx. We can write a sentence saying, the oryx is an antelope with 2 long horns. And the last animal here is the hedgehog. We can write a sentence saying, the hedgehog goes out at night to find food. Great job, everybody. It's time to do some fun activity. Open your workbook on page 116 and pay attention to the picture in activity number 2. Ocean or jungle or forest animals. Which type of animals are they? It's a picture puzzle time. Let's go. How many animals can you see in the picture? What animals can you see? Find, say, and then color. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So the answer to the question is 12 animals. Here are their names. Now, you can color the picture and it should look really nice. Just as nice as this picture. Well done, everybody. And now, it's time to write with Ahmed. Go to activity number 3 in your workbook in the same page. Check the question. The question says, what is your favorite animal? Write a paragraph about it. Ahmed is going to tell us about his favorite animal. It's the falcon. My favorite animal is the falcon because it is very intelligent. You can train it to hunt as it is also so strong with wide wings. It is the most popular animal in Qatar. There's a special statue in Qatar of the falcon's cap. There's a whole section of shops for falcon training tools in Souk Waqif too. Well done, Ahmed. Now pause the video and try to write a paragraph just like Ahmed, but about your favorite animal. Great job, everybody! Now, it's time to share your writing with the class teacher and your classmates. Well done! Thank you so much for your efforts today. See you. Bye.